Collapsible foldable boxes. The easy-to-assemble collapsible, foldable rigid boxes are used by manufacturers and retailers for product packaging. These boxes are designed for different sorts of product packaging, since they can be easily set up and are enduring. Deluxe boxes offers you diverse range of collapsible, foldable rigid boxes. You can have them customized according to your brand and product needs. If you have questions regarding custom printing for folding boxes, call us or leave a message. Rigid boxes perfect for many different retail products, just cannot be made more functional than the custom collapsible rigid boxes from the premium boxes, delivered flat. These packaging boxes not only provide the easiest delivery processes, but also are the easiest to pull into position having no detached sides. Just by pulling on the sidewalls, you can put these into their required secure positions for almost any kind of retail product. The foldable rigid boxes collapsible gift boxes machine. The box could be foldable while in shipping, save shipping costs and storage costs. It also be called collapsible gift boxes. Max size 700×200 mm, min size 150×50 mm, thickness of paper 80到180克 cm, thickness of board 0.3到8毫米, production speed 10 pieces minute. To help you master the installation and operation of your equipment, Kylin provides authorized training programs led by surface preparation specialists. How to set up your machine and optimize performance levels for your process. Key troubleshooting tips that keep your machine as in prime condition to minimize downtime, minimize maintenance, and prevent future problems. How to optimize performance levels to maintain consistent quality and minimize waste. The latest legislation and how to keep the machine safe. We offer 1-year machine quality warranty. We want you to be satisfied with the work we do and our machine. Every time, we guarantee to perform all good services to your complete satisfaction at the agreed upon price. If at any time within 30 days after completion of the job you're not completely satisfied, we will re-clean all required areas to your satisfaction. If you are still not satisfied, we will refund the money paid. Help from technician is only a phone call away. We offer free over-the-phone tech support to help you troubleshoot any issue you may be having. If you require on-site help, we are able to send our technicians to you. Whether it asks for training or support, we can meet your needs. Our experienced factory technicians are eager for you to get the most from your Kylin machine. We also offer to do regular maintenance to your machinery to make sure it stays in the best condition throughout the lifetime of the product. This will help guarantee that your machines will work well for as long as possible. One, it can work with 3 trilateral and 1 strip double-side adhesive tapes at the same time. 2, it is equipped with fiber optic sensor and servo control to achieve the accurate position. 3, vacuum suction on the conveyor belt to transfer stapler. and accuracy position. 4. The human machine interface and touch screen makes the process of parameter settings much easier. 5. The length of strip double-side adhesive tape can be set on the Toka screen. 6. Feeding by hand. Option easy. Its production efficiency can achieve 40 pieces. Min. 7. It can be connected to the mechanical arm to finish the feeding with its building block design. Max size of board side 800 by 200 mm. Min size of board CDO 100 by 30 mm. Tip max size 170 by 170 mm. Tip min size 30 by 30 mm. The easy-to-assemble collapsible, foldable rigid boxes are used by manufacturers and retailers for product packaging. These boxes are designed for different sorts of product packaging, since they can be easily set up and are enduring. Deluxe boxes offers you diverse range of collapsible, foldable rigid boxes. You can have them customized according to your brand and product needs. If you have questions regarding custom printing for folding boxes, call us or leave a message.